And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Alan Shoemaker.
Today was definitely a pool day, or a day to find some way to stay cool, and there's going to be a lot of those days coming up. I think sunny and hot weather like we saw today continues through tomorrow. You might see a little more of a breeze blowing. I think the breezes will pick up some, but temperatures staying just as hot, about 100, give or take a little bit in most areas tomorrow. Of course, cooler near the coast, but hottest in the Western Valley. Again, the breezes will be back. I think we could see winds maybe gusting up to around 35 miles per hour in the afternoon. So kind of like today, maybe a few more gusts than today, though, over the course of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe Thursday until the winds settle down a little bit. But a decent breeze blowing the next few days. The heat index, though, up about that 105 to 115 range the next several afternoons. There will be a good bit of humidity in the air. And then, if you're out when it's 100 degrees, that makes it feel like it's about 105 to 115 if you're standing in the shade. If you're in the sun, you can add some numbers to these, add a few more degrees to it, because especially if you're wearing dark clothing, makes you feel extra hot. So tomorrow, the hottest numbers in the Western Valley, about 105 in Rio Grande City, 106 in Roma, 104 in San Ysidro. Most of Hidalgo County probably right around 100 or slightly hotter in the afternoon, and most of Cameron and Wolsey counties in the 90s, with a high near 90 at South Padre Island, but 99 in Raymondville. But plenty of sunshine everywhere, very few clouds around. So your day planner tomorrow starts off with a mainly sunny start to the day. Might be a few patches of clouds initially, but I think after you get through the first hour or two of the day, it's like today, just a lot of blue sky and sunny conditions with breezy and hot weather in the afternoon. Temperatures go from about the mid-90s at noon to close to 100 by 5 p.m. But again, that will range from near 90 at the coast to about 105 in Starr County. But everyone, running pretty hot here. Now, future track overnight, you don't see a lot going on the map here. Maybe a few clouds here and there near morning and at sunrise, but by noon tomorrow, you see there's hardly a cloud on the screen again. And then the same thing for Tuesday with sunshine pretty abundant. Again, you might see a few patches of clouds early in the morning, but then plenty of sunshine, breezy once again, and temperatures well into the upper 90s or lower 100s in most areas. Wednesday, some of the computer models say there might be enough moisture for it to kick a couple more clouds up, and you see a few little blips of green go by. You could maybe hope for a quick sprinkle or two, maybe near the coast with the sea breeze, but it's going to be few and far between if it even does get that far. So basically look for more sunshine and hot weather, maybe just a few puffy clouds possible on Wednesday. But check out the weather again. Dry, dry, dry next few days. Probably dry Thursday and maybe Friday as well. Some of the models hint at small chances for maybe 1 or 2 sea breeze showers by the weekend. But again, don't get too excited. It's not looking that good for any rain. At the coast, you can soak up some of the last days before you go back to school at the coast with temperatures near 90 or so by afternoon. We'll be a little breezy the next few days at the coast as well. No advisories right now, but small craft advisories might come out the next couple of days with the breezier conditions. A low tide tomorrow afternoon, then a high tide just after midnight going into early Tuesday morning. So first 1-5-70 forecast. Some big numbers in this one again. Highs near 100 in most areas from about Weslaco westward, probably about 95 to 100 over most of Cameron and Wolsey counties each day. A little breezy most afternoons through at least about Thursday, and plenty sunny most days as well. Again, by the next weekend, some of the models do hint at maybe a little more moisture, and you might get 1 sea breeze shower or 2 somewhere in there Saturday or Sunday, but it doesn't look too good. So sunny and hot are the words for this week coming up, but